In the run-up to the 2018 New York Auto Show, Toyota unveiled the all-new 2019 Corolla Hatchback, a replacement to the existing Corolla IM. Compared to the outgoing IM, this new hatchback rides 1 inch lower than the outgoing IM, but it sits wider and longer, by an inch or so. Under the hood is a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine that should be more powerful and efficient than the IM's 1.8-liter, though specific output numbers are not yet available. Buyers can choose between a 6-speed manual or a continuously variable automatic transmission CVT. The 2019 Toyota Corolla Hatchback is available in 2 trims. The base SE model's standard features include 16-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights, keyless entry, automatic climate control, a rear-view camera, an 8-inch touchscreen, a Wi-Fi hotspot, a 6-speaker audio system, Apple CarPlay, Amazon Alexa compatibility and added functionality through Entune 3.0 apps. The Corolla Hatchback is the first Toyota vehicle to come with the SafetySense 2.0 suite of advanced safety features that include forward collision warning and mitigation with pedestrian cyclist detection, lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, lane trace assist and adaptive cruise control. No word on pricing yet, but look for the 2019 Toyota Corolla Hatchback in dealer showrooms this summer.